Okay, so welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create spacing token for specific component in Figma Token Studio or Figma token. Yeah. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so the goal to create specific token for specific component is to make it easier to know what's the token that can be applied for a specific component. So to make it easier for you, and then it's like applying token with multi-value is like add padding in CSS. Yes, and to make it easier when you define the a component. Let's say you want to create button A, so for the padding is 4 pixel left and right and 8 pixel for top and bottom. But if you want to create the button B, let's say the spacing is 8 for left and right and 12 for top and bottom. So you cannot memorizing all the things, so that's why you can create specific token for spacing based on what you need. Okay, so I give you an example. So actually you can create the specific spacing token based on directly you can add a value, or you can call the value based on master or alias token. Okay, so in this example I already create the master token, so the master token and alias, and then I want to create a specific token for specific spacing token for a button. Okay, and first I will create I will add the tags button A, and I will apply as the auto layout, and I will add the color, and I will change this to FFF, and then I will define the spacing token for this button A. So I will create, this is for button A, and then this value I would say I want to add this 4 pixel, means this directly, so without add a reference or alias for the spacing that I already create. Okay, so this will be it will be this easier to create. And then if you want to apply, so you can apply like this. Okay, it's very easy. So as you can see, it's like you can add as the CSS, applying padding as like a CSS, and you can see this will be, the spacing will be 12 as left and right and 8 for top and bottom. Okay, that's the simple one. So the simple two I will create based on value from the token that I already created before. So as a master and alias. To create it, I will create, let's say, button B, and then the value I will call from the spacing token as master or alias. So I would say left and right is 12, and also for top and button I would say 8 pixel. Okay, and then I will create, apply create, and then I will apply to button B. Okay, when I apply, you only one option is apply to all. So as you can see, it worked. Yeah, it worked. So this is the padding 8 pixel and 12 pixel for top and right. Top and bottom. Okay, but the difference is button A you can create directly define token without adding from as reference, but button B is add this value based on what you already create. Based on master token or alias token as a reference. Okay, I think it's very easy. So let's say you want to put or you want to add 4 value in specific. Let's say I will create as button C, and I will add, this will be, let's say top will be 12, and for the right will be, you can mix between the value based on alias, or you can add as on, you can add a new value without add based on the reference. Okay, let's say I want to add the left pixel, and then for the bottom I will say 4 pixel, 16 and 6 pixel. Okay, and then I will add bottom C and I will apply it. Okay, let's see it will work or not. Let's see why is not apply. Oh, okay, so is about the spacing. So you, yeah, don't forget the spacing, it will be sensitive. So if you add more spacing will be not apply, will be an issue or error. So make sure the spacing is correctly. So yeah, this is will be the option C. The value is mixed based on as reference, based on the alias, and also based on your own add a new value without reference from the alias or master token. So that's it. To create a specific spacing token, specific token for spacing, and to help you to create the spacing based on what you need. Well, that's it. Yeah, it's very easy, straightforward. So if you have a question, you can leave a comment. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.